name is Sanah here, your makeup educator for the New Age Spa Institute and of course the Art Institute of Makeup. Today what I have for you is a heat-proof makeup, okay? Maybe some of you know, but it's always fun to just get re-educated again. So, two of my go-tos, these are color correcting primers, and I actually have the peach and the pink. The reason why I chose these two colors, if you take the class, you'll find out the secrets, but pink is gonna add brightness and peach is gonna kind of help any ashy situation. All I'm gonna show you is on the back of my hand what they look like so you can see that it's not that much color. And this goes underneath your makeup. Maybe you're a girly or someone who does not like foundation. This is gonna do the trick. Smooth your fine lines and wrinkles, blur out any imperfection. And you can see I blended both of these together, which we all know how to do and love. So this would be your first step to that summer-proof, heat-proof makeup. Step 2 is a secret weapon, which is our fan favorite. It's our Duraline all the time. Everybody loves Duraline. It's our clear elixir. It is a dry loose oil. I'm gonna put a little bit, just like one drop on the back of my hand. Reason why is because this is going to really lock in your makeup. This little mixing, it's a mixing medium. That's the professional term. You'll learn that if you take classes with the Art Institute of Makeup or the New Age Spa Institute. This is gonna block everything out and make it sweat proof and waterproof. So you're bulletproof for festival season coming up, for those picnics, for going to the lake and just hanging out at the beach, which we all love to do. So now the back of my hand is kind of seamless and sweat proof. This is the AMC blush number 92. Love this color because this gives you that summer glow without really hanging out in the sun too much. I have one little drop on the back of my hand here, and this is gonna go all over town. Blushing is like everything, right? We had highlighting, now it's all about the blush. So I continue to blend it out. You can use a brush if you want to. I'm using my fingers. Fingers are your best tools ever. And you can already see what this is doing. It's giving you really, really nice coverage. It's liquid, so it's gonna lock in that makeup and keep it for hours. The final step to lock it all down, we have, I'll show it to you, it's our fave. We have our INGLOT loose powder, okay? It comes with this awesome puff, which we all love a good little puff. I'm using it with the brush. Doesn't matter what brush, but I am just using a really nice fluffy brush. I take it and I'm just dabbing it on the back of my hand. Your T-zone, wherever you get really, really oily, this is your secret weapon. It's gonna lock everything in. Nothing is budging. Moms, aunties, boyfriends, kisses, whatever the case is, it's not moving. You are locked in. Remember, Miss Sanah, your makeup educator at the New Age Spa Institute. See you later.